All right, now it's time to dive into 10 legit remote jobs hiring right now. Some people have been getting hired on this week for it, and some don't even require a degree. All right, so let's jump into the fun gigs first. And this one is called Playtest Cloud. So this is a mobile game tester. You'll get paid to test mobile games in your spare time. There's no experience needed and it is available internationally. It's not full-time work, but it's a fun side gig for you if you want to get paid for your feedback. Then we have user testing. So this is a website feedback gig. It's another one if you like giving your opinion. You'll test websites, apps, record your screen and voice, and you'll get paid for it. It's simple, flexible, and they hire globally as well. Then there's Respondent.io. So this is a paid and survey and interview type of gig. So Respondent will connect you with real research studies and they'll pay you between $75 to $250 per hour. It's one of the highest paying legit surveys out there right now. All right, and then the next one is personal dating assistant. You'll be a ghostwriter for love. And this is a real thing. This is no different than our famous singers or rappers who have ghostwriters to write their music for them. So they pay remote writers to craft messages and manage dating profiles for busy clients. If you're good with words, this one's golden. All right, so now let's jump into language and AI training jobs. So the first company we're going to talk about is RWS, and they are actively hiring right now for remote translators, data annotators, and language experts. If you are bilingual or you're into AI training in general, this is a company definitely worth checking out. Then there's Medium. So this is a remote writing, product, and tech role type of thing. So they are well known for publishing fully remote jobs for engineering and editorial work. So it's great for creative and technical professionals. Then we have Creative Market. So marketplace for designers. This one's perfect for artists, designers, and just creative minds in general. They often hire for remote content and product roles. So keep an eye out for openings on their workable page. Then there's Just Answer. Get paid to share your expertise. So doctors, tech pros, lawyers. Just Answer pays certified experts to respond to user questions online. You work when you want and it's all remote. All right, so now let's jump into some freelance work and let's talk about TopTel. So this one is not for beginners because they only accept the top 3% of talent. So if you are solid in skills as far as development, designer, or you're a finance expert, this could be a total game changer for you. And we're talking about the top dollar clients who trust you to do your job. There's no micromanaging here. All right, and number 10 is remote task. So you'll help train AI from your home. So if you've ever wondered how AI is getting so smart, I mean, it's apparent. Humans are teaching them, and then it's also teaching them to analyze everything that they see, which is mimicking humans. Have y'all seen these AI videos?
Wow, my hair is beautiful.
That hair, it's fake.
Not as fake as your teeth if you don't mind your own business.
So on remote tasks, you'll do things such as image tasking, data labeling, or categorizing content to help AI models learn. It is super flexible. You can work as much or as little as you want. You can also check out websites such as Scale AI or, as I mentioned earlier, RWS, as they are currently hiring right now. And some of these positions, they do pay weekly, so that is pretty convenient. If you're looking for more worldwide opportunities, I will have the links down in the comment section below for anybody who is outside of the States who is looking for a legit company. And honestly, some of these companies are low-key always hiring, but most people scroll right past them because they're way too busy trying to chase down the big name brands.